Hi folks, we're coming to you live from Erinwood Ford in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. We have a special treat for you today. We don't get them that often, so we thought we'd share it. It's a sold unit, but you should see it. It's a 2018 Roush Jackhammer in triple yellow. This is the heartbeat of this vehicle. It's a Supercharger. It brings the horsepower to over 700. Crazy, I know. Absolute rocket. Notice the badging. For you Canadian customers, for us, this car is shipped from Detroit to Roush, back to us with no Supercharger. The Supercharger is shipped directly to our parts department. We install it here. So a couple of points. One, this starts its life as a Mustang GT 401A Premium with performance package, navigation, spoiler delete, and active exhaust. Very important. So remember those tips. It will save you a lot of headaches. I went through them. We put the Supercharger in here by our technicians. Budget 14 hours labor, and that makes this baby sing. There's some great interior features you should also notice. We're gonna log these. The Roush sill plate, the Roush mats, the Roush aluminum pedals are fantastic. I really like them. Badging on the dash, the gear shift knob, very, very cool. One of the most important things is when you order the car, I'm going to remind you again, notice this car gets its own special spoiler from Roush. You must order spoiler delete. Please remember that. I'm going to start this baby up and show you how it sounds. Absolutely stunning. That is American muscle at its finest. My name is Mark Maguire. Thank you for your time today. I hope you enjoyed our little tour. Not too technical, I don't want to bore you, but a lot of fun. This car is superb. Thank you.